Hello guys, motorcycle, fatal motorcycle accident, lawyer font, and man on every and worry, and one care and too much DB, and two wheeler and accident, four men are also wind local alto accident, and two January and local auto accident lawyer care local car accident lawyer and accident 1 lakhs and 2 yearly and payment wow 205 and payment local always for accident and car and motor car for two wheeler and four wheeler and to this month and okay and up four wheeler and two wheeler and accident motorcycle and four wheeler this month and premium and yearly payment and monthly and halfly payment and payout and incentive and debt and 4,000 and 2 monthly payment and yearly and 6 month payment and dental lawyer accident and motor fatal accident local auto motorcycle accident and care motorcycle accident 2 and pay accident insurance premium yearly wise monthly and 6 month and yearly why payment pay this month and insurance why accidental motor accident car lawyer for this month and we are accidental for fatal motorcycle accident lawyer local alto accident attorney local alto accident lawyer local car accident lawyer for this month premiums and yearly and monthly and yearly and halfly pay this month and policy this check please and information why is this your to now and policy this and date something want to say that your check policy why this next day and every days and started days for monthly and halfly and yearly premium this car accident motorcycle and car accident for this monthly payment and that and is cover why is cover and insurance for this yearly and halfly payment this more accident fatal motor accident for car accident and lawyer this for rental and check this information for accidental insurance this company for and motorcycle and two wheeler and four wheeler accidental fatal motor accident car and lawyer local car all accident auto generally local auto accident lawyer for local car motorcycle accident lawyer for this premium and monthly and halfly and yearly this premium that in this and premium policies this pay out and receiving and payment for this information and halfly and pay and this payment for halfly and monthly payment and 1 to 6 and yearly and 1 year and then say for 6 yearly and payment fatal motorcycle accident lawyer local auto accident auto generally local auto accident lawyer for accident and this for policies and payment policy then monthly and halfly and yearly payment for policy and insurance card motorcycle and car accident lawyer for this and check information was and man and woman for age and 60 and 40 60 to 50 yearly days yearly and for information of lease information and right now for dig what true and false information. This policy and accidental car, motorcycle and car for information. This information is insurance. Insurance, this policy premium monthly and hourly, and this motorcycle, fatal motorcycle car accident for always in accident can recover that and recover for this monthly and yearly and hourly car this for next month and hourly payment this. And watch this policy and accidental motorcycle and car for this monthly and payment for this month and monthly and hourly and yearly, and this payment pay this policies and insurance motorcycle and car accident for this and did recover and man, woman and child, and this information fatal man, woman and her recover and this card and this insurance for car, motorcycle and car accident for lawyer, this fatal motorcycle car and layer. This policy information for age and 60 years 20 to 50 and recover for policy fatal motorcycle and car recover for this information fan that this and recover policies and information. This policy for limit this 5 6 year and 10 year and old age very thanks information and good very new and that thanks. Okay, bye.